watching time. Huh? Winnie! Your big screen TV is gone!
Yep, I sold it. So I could do something fun and exciting with the money.
What could be more fun than watching TV? On your super big screen TV, to be exact.
Well, flying lessons for one thing. And flying lessons with wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen, a dreamy foreign pilot for another. See you, Woody.
Gotta stop her from spending that money on flying lessons and get her to buy the TV back. Say there, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen. Ausen, Sausen, Season, Susan?
Don't call me Susan. But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
Making a note of it right now. Never call a big guy Susan.
Are you here for lessons?
No, I'm here to tell you that you've been inducted into the Flying Hall of Fame.
At long last, my boyhood dream come true.
So long, propeller head. In no time at all, I'll have Winnie begging to buy her big screen TV back.
But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen has moved. Just follow the arrows to new location? Oh, my. Ew. Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen?
I'm all that.
Oh, my.
I am Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen, Ace, Flying Ace.
But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
I want to learn to fly.
Oh, you want to fly? Isn't that modern of you? Here is a plane for you.
Hey, you'll see, I'm a very quick study.
Well then, quickly study my instructional home video. It's best viewed on, say, a large screen TV.
I'm more of a hands-on kind of girl. Come on! What's this do, Wings?
Oh, it is to test G-forces. More G's? More G's?
No, Pat. I'd like to solve the puzzle.
I'll have Winnie begging to go home and watch TV in no time. All right, mi amor. Now that you have survived the G-forces, let's see how you handle the parachute.
Why don't you just go home and watch some TV?
Flying ace, huh? More like flying disgrace. All right, Woody. I'm going to call your bluff. I'm gonna make you earn your wings or fly trial. I'm ready for my first flight, Mr. Banderhausen Hosenflausen. Is this the right button?
Winnie, what are you doing?
Why, I'm flying! I'm flying! Help!
Pull the brake!
Is this the brake? Whoa!
Yeah! Winnie!
hard can this be? Perhaps harder than I first suspected.
shortest distance between 2 points isn't always a straight line. Off the satellite.
Uh-oh.
Off the comet.
Ah! Well, when in doubt, improvise.
Phew. I'm coming, Winnie! I'm coming! Bubble gum. I never leave home without it.
Wow, that was exciting, wasn't it? Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen.
What? You knew it was me?
Almost all along.
Then why'd you let me go through all that?
Oh, you gotta admit it was more exciting than sitting at home watching TV, Woody.
Winnie, you still have the money. Let's go buy your big screen TV back now, please.
No way, Woody. We're using it next Saturday for Shark Cake